Welcome back to Coaster Keepers. I'm Morgan.
And I'm Evan.
And this is the 12 Days of Content 2021.
So today we are going to be making a vlog, and it's going to be us cooking one of our favorite recipes.
This recipe, I kind of based off of like one I saw on Pinterest, but I modified it a bunch of ways, and we made it once before while we were at school, and it was super good.
It's really good.
So
really good.
We tried to make it again today, so roll the footage.
Alright, Morgan, what are you doing?
I'm making our spaghetti squash.
Spaghetti squash pasta, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we cooked the spaghetti squash in the Instant Pot for 7 minutes on high pressure with a cup of water. Now we're getting the spaghetti part of it out
Yep.
so we can cook the rest of it later.
And we're playing with Desmond.
We're playing with the cat, Dizzy.
I think it was cooking.
What did you find in there,
But
Dizzy?
it was hot when we opened it, when it was done. But you use it, you turn it to venting when you use this.
You do?
Yeah.
All right, so we're chopping onions for our recipe, Evan.
It's strong.
Evan's crying a little bit.
I'm gonna power through now.
All right, show us the technique.
We'll put them in this slap chop. You simply
Good job, Evan.
what are you doing? Alright, what are you doing, Morgan?
The leftover onions is kind of wild. Anyway, this is garlic.
Close up. And mac and jalapeno cornbread. I'm gonna add beef, taquitos with lime dressing and
Oh, wow. Does that peach bubble cake thing look hard or easy?
I didn't really read the recipe, I just kind of read the ingredients.
Can I look at it? I just want to.
It's up to pressure.
Right now, Evan is
I'm
cooking
gonna take this
the
piece
juices out of the onions. Oh, yeah. Here.
You got it?
Yep. Okay. Should be better now. Should be just the chopped ones.
Looks pretty good.
Pretty good. How do you feel about our dish?
Feel good. We have our chicken in the Instant Pot. Some tomato juice.
It's gonna be a spaghetti squash dish. We didn't use this one, but
And it's in there with some seasonings and some tomato juice and some chicken broth. And then it's all gonna be pasta, like a cream-based pasta. So we made it once before, but we don't really remember what we're doing, so we're kind of making it up again as we go.
totally.
What are you doing now, Morgan?
Chopping tomatoes.
I had to use these canned tomatoes, but we would normally use fresh tomatoes, but
I almost think that that these will be better.
okay.
What do you think?
I guess we'll have to wait and see.
Alrighty. The sauce is looking pretty good, I have to say.
We got our milk and cream in here,
Lemon juice,
lemon juice, spinach,
mozzarella, parmesan, a little bit of pepper, garlic, and onions that we sauteed earlier.
So just got our chicken out of the Instant Pot, and I'm gonna shred it up. So this is half the shredded chicken, one half's already in, and we're gonna add it.
Bowls or plates?
Alright, so we're also putting tomatoes on. Normally we cook the tomatoes in it, but someone doesn't like tomatoes with us today, so.
Yep. So we're just gonna top it off and it's ready to serve.
It's served. No!
So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to be notified of our future videos.
Make sure you also follow us on all of our social media to stay up to date on the Coaster Keepers action, and we will see you next time.